A time for celebration at the National Zoo in Washington, D.C. A 9-year-old African lion named Shera gave birth to 4 cubs following a 7-hour delivery over the weekend. The newly born cubs are being closely monitored by zoo staff via a closed-circuit webcam. Their mother has been in a private den space where she can bond with her cubs. The number of African lions in the wild has decreased over the past 2 decades, partially due to poaching and disease. The cubs will not be on display to the public for several months.